More and more, automakers are developing new, cleaner ways to power the vehicles of tomorrow. With your eco-battery vehicles kit, you will build an environmentally friendly fuel cell that uses magnesium plates, salt water, and oxygen to generate electricity. You can recharge your eco-battery to power over 20 different models. The full-color manual explores the electrochemical process at work, as well as other battery technologies, and provides step-by-step building instructions. For ages 10 and up, this is Eco Battery Vehicles.